Let's see how to find an equation passing through a given point and parallel to the given equation. So let me take, first of all, let me highlight the important points. So this is the point, and I see that I have to find a parallel line to 4x plus 5y equals to 8. Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain how to write an equation in standard form that is passing through a given point. In this question, it is 3, 2 and parallel to the given equation 4x plus 5y equals to 8. So, step one is copy the given equation and change it into the slope intercept form. This is in the standard form, which is in the form of ax plus by equals to c. I hope you remember how to eliminate x and then isolate y values. So I'm taking 4x minus 4x, that means the value is the same and the opposite sign, and this one gets cancelled. Then 5y equals to negative 4x plus 8. Don't forget to write the x values, I mean the x term first. Then how to eliminate 5? 5 is multiplying with y, so divide by 5 on both these sides. Then y equals to negative 4x plus 8 over 5 over 5. So I'm separating the denominators. Now, this is in the form of y equals to mx plus b. Y equals to mx plus b. Here, I see that m, which is here, m is the slope. Therefore, the slope m equals to slope m equals to negative 4 over 5. Now step 2. The question says that we have to write an equation that is parallel to 4x plus 5y equals to 8. So parallel lines means both the lines will be having the same slope. So the first equation 4x plus 5y equals to 8 has a slope of negative 4 over 5, and even the new line equation also should have the same slope, because these two lines are parallel, therefore the slopes must be equal. Therefore, slopes are equal. Therefore, the new equation slope also should be the same, which is negative 4 over 5. Now, in third step, let me write in the slope intercept form y equals to mx plus b, and this time what I am doing is I am taking the slope value and substitute here and bring the x value and y value, and that you have to substitute here in the place of x and y. So I see that the point is 3 comma 2, which means x is 3 and y is 2. Therefore the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2 here. Now let me plug in the slope value, which is negative 4 over 5. And let's assume that we are not sure what's the value of b, which is y-intercept. So negative 12 over 5 plus b equals to 2. Then let's compute what's the value of b. We take the opposite sign, which is positive 12 over 5 plus b 2 plus, here plus 12 over 5. Then b equals to 2 plus 12 over 5. Here you can make use of calculator. Then you get that it is 22 over 5. This is step 3. Then step 4, it sounds like it's a little long calculations. Then in step 4, again I am writing y equals to mx plus b, and whatever the slope value I got in step 1, whatever the slope value I got, that value I have to take, and whatever the y-intercept value I got, that is to be plugged in this one. Please remember the slope, if the lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. So I'm taking the same slope, which is negative 4 over 5x plus p value is 22 over 5 equals to y. So again I'm repeating, whatever the y-intercept value I got here, that is copied here, and whatever the slope value I got in step 1, that is taken and plugged in here. But the question says that you write it in standard form. To write it in standard form, let's simplify these two fractions. I see that both are having the same denominator. So negative 4x plus 22 equals to y. And let me get rid of the denominator by multiplying 5 on both the sides. I get 5y equals to negative 4x plus 22. Now we have to take all the variables to one side. So if I add 4x on both these sides, then I get 4x plus 5y equals to 22. So this is the equation. Which is parallel to the first one. So let me write it in detail. The first equation is 4x. The first equation is 4x plus 5y equals to 8, and this one is 4x plus 5y equals to 22, and passing through point 3, 2. This is a new equation. That is passing through point 32. It is not necessary that the same thing in this particular question we got the same, but it is not necessary that you'll be getting the same every